Guys, I got a question about electrical. This is an old school electrical. You know, you guys know it's got fuses in here. You can turn off individual, I guess, segments. And then there's a mechanical remote control switch here. The problem is that I'm having, please help me out with this. I don't know what the problem is. The problem is I'm having is this is the kill, right? And I don't know if you could see this, but the light over there is on. See this light? Okay. So when I go to hit the kill switch, which we've been doing for like 40 years, listen to what happens. And the light's still on. Whoa. Okay. The light is now off. The light is now off and the system is now off. But there's definitely something wrong with the the magnetic switches. So if you guys have a solution, I'm not sure what the problem is. Does it need to be greased? Does it need to be taken apart? What is there a buildup of something in there? I don't know. So give me a comment. Let me know what's going on with that. We do have electricians here, but they're very busy. So if I can solve it, something simple, I will. Okay. All right. See you later.